Hi everybody, in this video I want to check and disassemble PRelectronics 7501 model number, temperature transmitter, stainless steel version. Sensor is 3-wire RTD and I use from explosion proof cable gland. Because of this sensor will used in explosion area. You can connect the gland from both sides. Okay, let's open this transmitter and check the inside with together. To open the transmitter, just turn cover counterclockwise. The PR7501 model has 3 touch keys that can be touched from behind the glass cover. We can use from these 3 buttons to adjust and configure the parameter like as input type, output and 0 span range. Okay, I was take the LCD cover off and now you can see the PRelectronics head mount transmitter 5335 model number. You can use from a screwdriver to open and close the wiring. This device supports from HART7 and HART5 protocol. By this protocol you have easily connection from control room to configure these devices. Now I remove the sensor by turning it. I easily put the LCD in its place and turn the cover clockwise. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about this device, contact us. Have a good day.